Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here and would like to do beauty related content on this channel, if that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. If you see that I'm covered in cat hair, it's because I've been snuggling Michael and I'm trying to get him to go to sleep. What is that? Go to sleep. That's it, go to sleep. And he's watching me film. Anyway, but we've got some unboxings today. I just couldn't help myself. These boxes look so good and such good value for money too. So first of all, we got the Asos, the new face and body gift of makeup box, which I believe this was £25. And then this literally got released yesterday. Well, yesterday to the day that I'm filming this, and the big Beautybay Hall of Fame box. Now, I've always wanted to get one of these. Oh, Michael, you would want to go out now, wouldn't you? Yeah, I've always wanted to get one of these Hall of Fame boxes. However, it always includes a palette that I've already got, so I always think that's quite pointless, but I do not have this palette, and I was really going to get it. I was tempted to buy it, but then I thought, oh, and then I saw this, and I instantly bought this box, and I thought, you know what, treating myself again. I haven't actually been buying a lot, because I've been on holiday. Even though on this camera it doesn't look like I've been on a holiday because I'm looking very pale, but I'm actually a bit tanned. But I don't get why I look so white. My lighting's really throwing me off. And if you're wondering what I've got on my face, I just quickly used two of the little shims from this Natasha Denona Mini Gold palette, which I haven't used in ages. You know, I do really want to just start using my palettes. I have got a lot. And also this Fenty Cream Beauty lip gloss in the shade Cookie Jar on my lip. Very autumnal if you ask me. Very autumnal. Very comfortable, not sticky, like just silky onto the lips. I actually really like it. I feel like this is going to be a staple for me this autumn. But yeah, that's just a quick run through. So I think I'm going to open up the Asos box first because it's smaller, and then we'll get into the big Beautybay box. So if you want to see what I got inside these boxes, then please stay tuned. Now I'll try and link these down below. I'm pretty sure the Beautybay one will definitely be in stock, but the Asos one does go out of stock quite quickly. They usually release these each month. I'm pretty sure they got a skincare one and a hair care one, same as the Beautybay actually, which range in different prices, but none of them really tickle my pickle. But the makeup one was so good. I got a few other people onto it as well. This is the Asos makeup gift set, and inside this little box, packaged all nicely, but you get so many good brands in here. It's literally amazing, and for £25 well, you can't really go wrong. So the first thing we've got is a mini milk hydro grip primer. Now I love the hydro grip primer, and I'm actually running out of my mini, but this is a little bit of a bigger mini compared to normal, which I'm absolutely buzzing about. So this is a 4ml, and you know what, these actually do last me. They last me a while because you only need a little bit. It's dead tacky, but yeah, I thought that was really good. Like, you've basically got enough nearly for a full face of things in here without having to select like your shades and stuff like foundation, concealer, that kind of thing. So yeah, we've got the hydro grip primer. Next thing we've got is this Laura Mercier Rose Gold Caviar Stick Eye Colour. So this is what it looks like, and I've not used these before, but I've seen loads of people rave about them. But how nice is that colour? It doesn't really look rose gold, it looks quite champagne-y, but I feel like that would be really nice, especially for the upcoming party season, and it's really good for those one and done kind of looks as well, when you just want to put a little bit of bronzer in your crease, and then a bit of shimmer. Dead easy, really good for travelling as well, but yeah, I actually do appreciate that. And then this I'm excited about, and this is the Rimmel Thrill Seeker Pitch Black Wonder Volume Mascara, and it's a full size as well, and I'm pretty sure this has recently gone TikTok viral, I think, but I need a new mascara, so I'm buzzing about that. I do like Rimmel mascaras as well, so let's have a look to see what the wand is like. Oh, the wand it's thick, but it's one of those plasticky like shaped ones, which I quite like. I don't like the proper thick bristles, so I like a wand like that. I feel like that will actually do something to my lashes, you know. Then we've also got the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, which I'm pretty sure I've got in one of these boxes before. Let me just see what it looks like. Yeah, I have, and I'm starting to run out, and I do quite like these. And we're not finished. We're nowhere near finished. We've still got a few more items. And then we've also got this Pixie item. I haven't even opened it yet, so let me just see what it is. Okay, so this is a beauty blush duo in the shade Peach Honey. So this is what it looks like. Oh, so it's like a blush and a highlighter in one, which is very, very handy. It's quite a natural looking blush, but that's going to give you a really nice glow. And then we've also got a Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is a 15ml bottle, perfect for travelling, which would have been handy for when I went to Ibiza, but the other one that I've got is quite small anyway. And I love the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Like, the mist on it is so refreshing and hydrating. The party's not ending. We still got 2 more items. We've also got a full-size Doll Beauty lip liner. So this is in the shade She Fine, which I'm pretty sure is quite a popular shade. Oh, that's a really nice colour. It's like a brownie nude, like quite a staple actually. I think this will go with this lip gloss quite well. And then last but definitely not least, and one of the things that really drew me into this box is a Kylie lip gloss. So this is the Kylie Jenner High Gloss, and I've not actually got any of these glosses yet. I haven't got anything from her brand since she relaunched or whatever it is. But this is in the shade Cocoa K. And it's a really beautiful pinky nudie gloss, like quite a mauvey undertone. How stunning is that? And it's going to go perfect with that lip liner. And you know what? I actually love the fact that they've paired things that will go really nice with each other, and they don't just give you just random shades just to get rid of them. They give you things that I feel like are going to be put to good use. So yeah, so in a nutshell, we've got a mascara, setting spray, a gloss, a lip liner, a primer, brow gel, an eyeshadow stick, and a blush and highlighter duo, all for £25. And sometimes you can get student discount codes, which brings it down to £22. So I think that's bloody brilliant if you ask me. Like, look at all this stuff, all really good top brands as well, like really well-known brands. You know, you get boxes and it contains brands that you don't really know or don't really care about. I know all of these brands, I love all of these brands, and yeah, I'm just so chuffed. Like, this is the best affordable box I think I've probably ever purchased, really. And I am an avid person for an Asos box. I love an Asos box. I think they're dead good value for money, but this one literally tops all the others. We've got the big boy. So this is quite hefty. A hefty box, you know, and it says an all-star lineup. So this is like a great gift that you can get someone for Christmas. And like I say, they do a hair care one and a skincare one as well. So let's just pop it out the sleeve. It is very Christmas themed packaging. The inside, you got the standard Beautybay logo, but the thing that I love the fact that this bit's magnetic, and it's a box as well that I can definitely reuse. And then open it up, you've got a whole box full of things. So this retails for £60, but the products in value are a total of 206, I think it is. And it's good because it's not just Beautybay stuff as well. Like, don't get me wrong, I love Beautybay products, but I own quite a lot of them now, and I'm glad that you actually get a box with a variety of products, a variety of brands from Beautybay. So just gonna lucky dip it. So the first thing I got, oh, it does actually, it's not just makeup, it has got some skincare stuff, a couple of hair care stuff as well, and obviously, but it is mainly makeup. I'm pretty sure they don't do a strictly makeup one, because they've got the Hall of Fame, which is what I've got. They've got a self-care one, which is skincare. Yeah, it's just got all skincare stuff really, and a hair mask, deodorant, single mask, lash essential serum, eye serum, candle, cleanser, silky swipe. And they've got the hair care one, which has got like Olaplex. This one's got Olaplex actually, and a few other things, skincare, and that's it. Yeah, so they don't have a pure makeup one. The first thing we've got is this Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturiser. So this is a 30ml bottle. I'm pretty sure everything in it is, well, not everything, most things are full size. I've actually got one of these moisturisers ready to use that I received free from Beautybay with an order. So yeah, I've heard good things about this, so I'm excited to try it. And then I actually really want to try this. So this is the Beautybay Chamomile and Oat Lipid Cleansing Balm. So this is quite a hefty jar. Let's give this a sniff. So this is what the cleansing balm looks like. I'm actually running low on my Body Shop one, to be fair, so this is quite handy. And I love the fact it comes with like a little spatula. I think that's so cute. Okay, it smells very skincare-y. It definitely smells, you can smell the chamomile in that. Chamomile is going to be dead gentle on your skin. And then we've got a Trixie Cosmetics, which is exciting because I've never tried anything from Trixie before. And this is the Bestie Balm, so it's Dotty Strawberry Margarita Lip Balm, which is quite exciting. And the packaging is so cute as well. Very like dolly kind of style. And this is what it looks like. And it looks like Lano Lips. But let's give it a sniff because obviously it's Strawberry Margarita. Oh, God, that smells so nice. So it's like red, so it's probably going to give a nice little tint. Oh my God, that's so silky. And it smells amazing. Then sticking on the lips, we've got a Jeffree Star Velvet Trap lipstick, which I'm so excited about because I've not tried any of his Velvet Trap lipsticks before. And this is in the shade Nudist Colony. So the packaging is really nice as well. So these are like the shape of a bullet, but these are quite weighty, you know, very, very good quality. And that is the shade there, so it's quite a muted, mauvey, nudie brown. But I just love, love, love the imprints on it. And just the way it looks really fuzzy, like it looks like it's going to be very velvety and smooth, so I'm excited to give that a whirl. And then you got a Beautybay hair product, so this is the hair serum Smooth and Shine with vitamin C and grapeseed oil. So this is probably the only thing that I do actually know. I've got one other thing. So I do actually already have this, and I really do like it. It is a really good serum for the hair, and it's a 100ml bottle as well. So they do last quite a while, but it does make your hair feel and look very silky and smooth. Next up, we've got a Spectrum brush. I don't think you can really go wrong with Spectrum brushes. So this is a C07 and it's a sculptor brush. But yeah, I love Spectrum brushes, so I'm happy with that. Then we've got something from Nude Sticks. So let me get this opened. This is a mini. I'm pretty sure it's like an eyeshadow stick. Yeah, luminous eye colour. So a bit like the one I got in the Asos box, the Laura Mercier one. Oh, so that looks really nice. So let's compare it to the Laura Mercier one. I think it's a dupe, you know. That's exactly the same. So there's a Laura Mercier one and there's the Nude Sticks one, and they're both like a champagne rose gold kind of shade, very, very creamy formula. So yeah, and I don't know if the Nude Sticks one is meant to be cheaper than the Laura Mercier one, I'm not too sure. So potential dupe. And then we've got this Avene milk cleanser for dry sensitive skin, your face and eyes, and this is a 200ml bottle. I've not tried anything from Avene yet. Is it the same brand as Aveeno? Because I do like Aveeno. It's very, very good for my skin, like sensitive skin. And then you got a Made by Mitchell blush. So this is in the shade Cold Heart. So this is, yeah, the only other thing that I do already own. So I'm probably just going to whack this onto my vintage. And then I'm dead excited about this because I've just run out and I do want to purchase a new one. The Freck OG. So it's the mini Freck pen just to draw on your faux freckles. But I feel like it is the best freckle pen. It's the OG one, it's the best one in my eyes. And then you get a Beauty Works and Molly May Gloss Locks Mask. So this is like a sample of it, but I feel like you get quite a lot in there, but I'm pretty sure it'll only be for one use. So this is a 30ml pack, and it's for shiny, soft hair with a vanilla gloss lock mask to deliver moisture and shine to hair for a silky smooth finish. I'm excited to try this on after hair wash. And then we've got a Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturiser. So this I'm pretty sure is like a mini or a deluxe mini. It is a 10ml bottle, so just a squeezy thing like that. Again, I've not tried anything from Laneige, so I'm excited to give that a whirl. And then we've got two mascaras. So we've got the Urban Decay Perversion Volumizer Mascara in like a deluxe travel size. I'm pretty sure this used to be like a fan favourite, like a lot of people enjoyed those. And then also the Florence by Mills Up a Notch volumizing mascara as well. I've not tried anything from Florence by Mills before, so I'm looking forward to giving that a go. I don't know why they put two mascaras in, but I suppose they're two deluxe size, so it'd be like they're having one full size. And then you get an Olaplex product. So this is the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector to repair and strengthen all hair types. So I don't think I've ever used anything from Olaplex myself. When I've had my hair styled in a salon, they've obviously used them, but I've never used Olaplex at home. So I'm really excited to try that. And then you've got two items from Glisten Cosmetics. So first of all, you get a split liner pot, which is a Coke Float. So it's basically the black and the white. And again, not tried anything from Glisten Cosmetics, so this is really exciting. And you also get an itty bitty Glisten Cosmetics liner brush. And then you get two palettes from Beautybay. So one of them is the highlighter palette, which I don't actually own, and I feel like this is going to be too dark for my skin tone, so it'll probably just be one that I use on my eyes or on my body when I've got a tan. So this is what it looks like. And they do look really, really beautiful, to be fair. I actually did want to pick up one of these, like the lighter tone. I think I might be able to get away with Sunlight and maybe Goldie. They're just very, very soft and buttery though. But yeah, bronze I definitely won't be able to get away with, so that'll be just a good one for the eyes. And then last but definitely not least, and I'm really, really surprised that they put this in because this is literally brand new. I swear it only came out like last week. And we got the Metamorphic palette in here. So this is a palette that was and ahhing. I absolutely love Beautybay palettes and I try and collect as many as possible because they do really stand out to me. But this, I didn't know if it was the right time of year to launch it. I suppose we are going to go into winter soon, and this really does remind me of a wintry palette with like the blues and the icy colours and stuff. However, I feel like I'm in my Halloween mode. I'm in my orange, my purple, my green, my greys and things like that. So yeah, but I feel like after seeing a few people's reviews on this, it does look really, really pretty and really sparkly. So this is what the palette looks like. And it opens up two ways, which is quite unusual for Beautybay. And then this is, I haven't even looked at it properly yet. The shimmers do look beautiful. You don't get many mattes, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. So I feel like this will be a really good companion palette. But this is what they look like, and I'm absolutely loving the look of this shade right here. It looks quite lilac-y, goldy, bluey. It looks like a shift of different shades. But how beautiful is that? Yeah, I am glad that I've got this into my collection, and if you want to see a video on it, then do let me know down below. So that is everything that I got in those two boxes. Let me know down below what you think. Do you think these are really good value for money? Because I certainly do. I feel like you get so much stuff in both of these boxes. They're two different price points as well, and yeah, what a treat. These will make really, 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 really good gifts for someone who loves beauty at Christmas, and yeah, I think these are amazing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and leave me a little comment down below. And hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Bye!